It's a kind of magic. It's a kind of magic.
Well, hi guys, my name is Wadacy2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and I'm going to be single pin picking this Yale that's in the centre, but the one on either side of there are the only two other old locks that I have, because I've recently started to try and collect old locks, because as a lock sporter, all locks absolutely fascinate me, and the older the better, due to how they were made. So this is the first one I actually got. It's a secure warded pancake lock. I've picked this with our warded keys that you can purchase at specialkeys.co.uk on our forum at a very, very reasonable price. All our things are in the store, guys, because the site forum was actually set up to help newbies out there getting into lock sports, so it pops really quickly. I don't know a great deal. I think this is early 1900s, but what I would like to do is, once I've actually got them in displays, have maybe a year of make underneath or round about that, so I'm going to look into these a lot more. The other one is a Union 6 lever, and I have not picked this one yet, simply because I do not have an idea how to do it. So if there's anybody out there that knows how to pick this particular lock, any advice would be greatly appreciated. And again, I don't have an idea of the year on this, but would love to again get something underneath once it's on display. This beautiful Yale padlock, one of our members, BM Frank, on the forum did a video of single pin picking this, and when I saw the video I thought, wow, I love that lock. I have seen one locally where I live, obviously attached to some sort of steel generator for the council that must supply all power to houses, and I just fell in love with it straight away. So when I saw Frank's video, I commented on what a beautiful lock it was, and after he picked it, he said, I also have this lock and I'll pick that one, and I could choose which one I would like to have. So with falling in love with this one initially, I said, you know, I would really like this one. His reply was, since I've actually single picked them both, you can have them both. So Frank, you are an absolute diamond, my friend, you really are. Two beautiful locks to add to the other two that I've got, and I am still trying to build up my collection, so thank you so much again, my friend. And I'll have a go at single pin picking this in my hand. I've done it in a vice, I've static picked it as it's called, and I think it is easy because there is quite a bit of weight there. It needs real gentle tension, hence you can see this is a homemade feather touch that I've got with a twist a bit further down rather than up at the top, and it does work wonders, but this is live on video so it probably will not. So straight to the back, very slight tension, start working on those pins. Now and again you can actually work back to front, and when you get to the pin that's right at the front, it can pop open. Sometimes it can drop into a little falset, but we'll see how we get on with it. Let's move back a tad. And I will get a bit of feedback from that wrench when you get a click. go. There was a binding pin that I didn't actually get, but that's picked. You could see the wrench move around. Now and again, let me hold that, the shackle does actually pop out, but now and then you just have to do that. I think with it being an old lock, it's had its years of service. So beautiful lock. Again, thank you so much BM Frank. You are an absolute star. And if you are newbies to Locksport, guys, come and join our forum at uklocksport.co.uk. and if you get stuck with anything, tap away on your keyboards, as we are all there to help. We have competitions, so it's free to join the forum. Competitions are free to enter, and you can win yourself picks, you can win locks, you can win bump keys, you name it, and you'll have a lot of great fun at the same time. So I can't stress this enough, Frank. Thank you so much for these, and I will be picking that in another video. So I hope you enjoyed that little video. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.